Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapon app. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps. If we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you will search about Tapon app and you will click. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Tapon app. If you will uninstall here and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.